Another amazing use case for this new OpenClaw thing that everyone's talking about is it can fix your computer. You know how when you have problems installing something or you get these bugs and stuff, you can literally just tell OpenClaw, hey, OpenClaw, listen, wait, these services that are open are not being used, because you could just explain your problem. And then it's like, oh, that makes sense. Those MSI services are leftover from the old hard drive. They're probably causing conflict with your system. And then all of a sudden, it starts removing the services that are not being used anymore. And then it starts installing the correct services. And so basically, it's really unbelievable that it can literally like take care of your problems in your computer. So now it's telling me what to do. It's uninstalled the ones that are not being used. So for those of you who want to get hands on this beast, it can literally speed up your computer. That's another use case that nobody's really talking about for this OpenClaw thing. If you want to get your hands on this and you're not a technical user, you can actually get our launcher. It's an OpenClaw launcher without the terminal. You don't need to know how to program. You just get it and then run it, and then you can click on install, then start, and that's it. It will be running, and whenever you feel scared or you want to stop it, you just force close it and it will close. But for now, I'm going to carry on using it to get my computer up and running very quickly, because I'm trying to use this Intel Extreme tuning thing. Sorry for that noise. And I'm having trouble, so I'm actually getting OpenClaw to help me diagnose problems on my computer, which is just an amazing use case for it. Fantastic.